Okay, Wight Potter 19 Masasa fans. This is the rudder I've been working on, and you can see the tiller, although somewhat potentially needing attention to detail. Again, I'm more concerned about functionality right now, but I've now had 2 coats of WoodEpox, and I've sanded using 60 grit and then 220 grit, and you can see that the WoodEpox has filled in nicely. I gotta hit that a little bit more, but overall I am pleased with the result. Doesn't look pretty, but I'm going to prime it at the suggestion of a friend of mine, and that's not a good area, but I don't want to put a 3rd coat of epoxy. I'm going to get this job done, so it's going to be half-assed, as they say. And I already wiped it down with mineral spirits to clean it up, and I'm going to prime it. Looks like a little cloudy day, but I'm going to try to get it in before the rain starts. So that's what we got going today. Wight Potter Rudder Repair out.